Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to play math game A57. It's called Mental Addition. For this game, you're going to need your green basic deck with the tens taken out, and you'll need about 40 of these multiplication cards, and you can find them in these envelopes in your math kits, and they need to be greater than 10, so none of the single digits for this game. So the object of the game is to add up two numbers mentally, or sometimes we say in class in our souls. And if you need an abacus, don't hesitate to use it. So this is a game for 2 to 4 players, and you're going to be creating rows by adding up the two numbers at the beginning of the row and trying to put down the answer at the end. If you complete a row, you get to keep the cards. If at the end of the game, whoever has the most cards is the winner, the game is over technically when either of these decks are gone. Okay, so to get started, you need to lay down the first two rows. Every row starts with a multiplication card followed by a basic card, and you need two of those. And then each player grabs 5 cards. Okay, player 1 starts, and we add up either row. I'm going to add up 48 and 9. That is 57. And so in my hand, I'm going to look for a 5 or a 7. And you see I have a 5 here. And when it's your turn, you can lay down up to 2 cards. Sometimes you might only be able to lay down 1. And sometimes if you lay down 2, they might be in different rows. So let's see, 35 and 6, that's 41. So I do have the 1 for that answer. Okay, so replace any of the cards after your turn that you've lost. Okay, now let's say it goes back to another player. And let's say player 2 can't lay any card down with these 2 rows. So if you can't lay any cards down, you can start a new row. So we add a multiplication card to a basic card. All right, so 24 and 9, that's 33. Let's just say that maybe that player 2, could lay down this 3. All right, so then it comes back to me. And looking at my deck, I have the other 3 for 33. And do I have anything else I can lay down? Let's see, what was that again? 57, 41. Nope. Well, I did win this row since I completed it. So I get to keep it. And then it goes back to the next player. So you keep doing that until, like I said, either deck is exhausted. But let me set up a scenario for you that could happen. Let's say that it's my turn and I can't lay down any cards. I can't start a new row because you can only have 4 rows going at a time. And let's say I'm stuck. Maybe the other players are stuck too. In that case, you can take your cards in your hand, your 5 cards, put it at the bottom of the deck, and then grab 5 new ones. Okay, so let's see. And so you have 5 new cards to work with. And hopefully that will help you get unstuck. So in this case, I can put down this 2 for 22. And can I put anything else down? Yeah, actually, can I put this down? Yeah, so here I have 35 plus 6, 41. So I completed that row and I win it. All right, so that's the basic idea. Now, if you're struggling, if this is going poorly for you, there is a way to alter this game to suit your child. And what you could do is take the multiplication cards and maybe exchange them for maybe an easier set. So like you could just fish out all of the tens, the numbers that end in 0. And again, you want to try to focus on mental work. If that's still a struggle, maybe go down to the single digits and see if that can help. All right. Okay, I think that's it. If you have any questions, just send them my way. I'll see you in the next video.